Hello guys, I'm playing this game. Big A, Brainrot, and Hatch them. Where should I mine? Should not mine here. I'm right to the end. To the end. Bro, why here? I'm not here. I want to go in the end, guys. I'm gonna go in the end, guys. Yo, lucky multiplier 7 times. Oh yeah. Nah. Huh? Big A, Brainrot, and Hatch them. Not getting better. Oh my god. 7! I got 6-7! No way!
Is that good?
Mythic!
Ah.
No, everyone's gonna punch me and they're gonna get it. Oh my gosh. Guys, if you're in here, don't target me. This is my first time playing here. Please. Bro, I'm so cool.
Wala namang iba.
I'm so cool! Mini Rakin! Mini Rakin. Please, please. Yes! This is absolutely so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, 8 minutes. This is so good, and he got the same one too. W. I'm gonna dig that. I'm not gonna dig that. Yo, W luck. If you guys got that, subscribe and like. Please, I got only 2 subscribers. Please, guys. I'm gonna go here. This is the best. Man, that's not good. That's good. Alright, moving on. This is not good at all. This is something good. No. Nah, I don't want that. Okay guys, my friend's joining me. Bro, I'm getting trash luck now. I think it's not even working. If I get a mythic next, please up the goal. Okay, actually.
Ano yung nag-get mo? Ano yung nakik ngayon?
Sure. Huh?
Ano to?
I don't know, baby.
Pindutin mo.
No.
Bakit? Parang ngayon yung game space, yung nag-improve ng game mo.
Where is it? Oh, here.
Hmm?
Bro, guys flexing on me. There.
I'm noob.
Yo! W guy!
Bakit?
Yo, smack mo ko. Iyon na lang to. Smack mo ko.
I left.
Hintay ng tita? Yes, KBD toilet. I got a 6-7. And you're gonna get Rhino to Strano.
Just walk there.
Huh? No, bawal. And there's a bacon running from me. He's trying to hit me whenever he wants. Bro, yung bacon nito.
Actually, sa Friday, magiging na 400 Robux. Mag-gift kita ng starter bundle.
Yes, yung bandage.
No, yung bundle.
Ano bundle?
Yung gayet ka short skin sa shorty.
Okay, saka.
Yun lang.
Oh, ayaw ko. Gusto ko.
Ang expensive ng rivals.
Ano na lang, akin na lang yung med kit saka skin case.
Dude, 200 Robux pag-gift. Scam yung rivals. Pag-gift 200 Robux.
Ng medkit?
Oo.
Ano na medkit?
Ara na.
Meron ka na ng 200 Robux. Saka spend mo sa skin case. Good idea yun. Bigyan mo ako ng medkit saka bibili ka ng skin case. Bakit? No! Oh, no. Oh! No! This guy is taking her egg! 3 seconds! Why is it protected? Egg guy. Bro, natukya yung egg mo.
Yo, I just realized, bro. Both Boba phones tayo.
Wala. Niyaw din sa'yo. Niyaw din yung akin.
I think.
Chef mo.
I know, hindi pala niyo akin. Boba lang. Boba 7.
Techno?
But still, really good phones.
I'm gonna open my 6, 7 egg. What's that, baby? Yo, it's big. Super big.
Okay.
Super big. Oh, never mind.
I'm here.
6, 7.
Paano ka sa base ko?
Row ka?
Ito oh.
Bro,
What?
can I get one?
Ito.
Can I get your best one? Can I get your I mean ketapat. How are you so good? I'm gonna give you no, give me ketapat. Wait, hold on. How much are these?
Russell.
Okay, where are you? Thank you. Bawal pala
Bili
gigil.
mo na lang ako ano.
Yay!
Bili mo na lang ang pasalubong. Ha? Hindi.
Sell.
Ay, bili mo ako ng ano.
Look up. Pick up the
Basta
button.
yung chocolate ko.
Bakit nagsistand still?
Yung mga chocolate doon. Ha?
Bakit nagsistand still?
Wanna spill a bean nun?
No. Sorry, baby.
Try ko rin
oil.
spill a bean niya.
Absolutely no baby oil. Absolutely no baby oil. Dirt shovels. I'm gonna buy the best one. It only cost 1 million. Meron ka ito? Ito?
Ano.
That's baby oil. Totoy. Diba? Masih. Okay, that's good. Am I going?
Sure.
Bro! Hindi ko na-record. Oh, I'm recording. I forgot. Yo! What is that shovel? This last one. Okay. If you guys like that video, like and sub. Bye!